Takeoff's
essentially
killer
we had to rely
has
on
been
a large
charged.
volume of video,
Well,
surveillance
proven
evidence that came in,
innocent
cell
until
phone
guilty,
videos,
but
audio, things
they
that
arrested
surfaced
someone
over
for Takeoff's
time in some
murder.
cases that weren't available immediately. We had to sift through all of that and use physical evidence and use shooting reconstruction and confirm a lot of our ballistic evidence, what weapons were involved, things of that nature. And through that, we were able to deduce that Patrick Clark is the lethal shooter in the case. And that's why he's being charged with murder.
Thank you, Chief. Thank you, Mayor. My name is Ruben Perez, and I am a Bureau Chief of Special Crimes Bureau. I'm happy to be. Thank you.
Fue arrestado anoche. El 22 de noviembre también
Patrick
fue arrestado
Clark
una
of
persona de interés en
just
este
so
caso.
happens he's
No creemos,
33
no sabemos su,
and Cameron
su
Johnson is
papel
22.
exactamente. Se llama Cameron Josh, de 22 años de edad. La evidencia, gracias a la cooperación tanto del Departamento de Policía, incluyendo a la arrestado anoche. El 22 de noviembre también fue arrestado
So
una
that's the
persona
dude
de
that
interés en
supposedly
este caso.
killed Takeoff.
No creemos, no sabemos su papel exactamente. Se llama Cameron Josh, de 22 años de edad. La evidencia, gracias a la cooperación tanto del Departamento de Policía, incluyendo a la División de Homicidios, a la División
I'll be so bad with names, dude.
Fue arrestado anoche.
His name is Patrick Clark. Let's see what comes up. Okay. Brand new. Of course, he's 33, so you already know it's a sacrifice. That's him. Exclusive. Clark was arrested in Houston on Thursday. Clark's bail has been at $1 million. Let's see the TMZ. Let's see the TMZ. TMZ usually. No, not yet. Oh, okay, here we go. I got it. All right. Alrighty. This is the man. That's the thing, it would just... Alrighty, there you go.